So in this video, it's going to be quick. We're going to go through really quick some integration basics so you can keep up with what's going on in AP Readiness on the 16th here. So first of all, let's revisit derivative really quick. So derivative, remember, we take this number, we bring it to the front. So we get y prime equals 4x cubed, okay? And then we're going to, the derivative of that is 0. So if I was going to integrate that, so I'm going to actually put that 4 here. Okay, so I'm going to go backwards. So the backwards to try to get back to the original means that I'm going to do what we call integration. So I am going to integrate this. To integrate, we do the opposite. Here in derivative, we subtract 1. In integration, we add 1. And then we divide by the new exponent. The problem is we can't get back to this 6 because its derivative was 0. So generically what we do is we just put a plus c. Unless we're given more information, we can't find that constant. So we just put a plus c generically on all of them, and that has to be there. There are points on it for the AP test. All right, so let's try integrating this one. We're going to add 1. So we'd have 4x cubed and then divide by the new exponent over 3 and then plus c. All right, and then really quickly what the trigs are. So when we integrate sine, we get negative cosine of x plus c. When we integrate cosine, we get sine x plus c. Notice the negative is on a different spot. It's on when we get the answer starts with a c, we get a negative on it. When we integrate secant tangent, think about it. The derivative of secant was secant tangent, so the integral of secant tangent is secant of x plus c. When we integrate cosecant cotangent, we get back to negative cosecant of x plus c. The derivative of tangent was secant squared, so the integral of secant squared is tangent of x plus c. The derivative of cotangent is cosecant squared x, so the integral of cosecant x is negative cotangent of x plus c. You got to be careful on these two because it's opposite kind of what the derivative is. All right, and then the other two that are probably going to pop up is the derivative, or e to the x. So the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. The integral of e to the x is e to the x. So that one's easy to remember. And then the derivative of the natural log of x we know is 1 over x. So if you see the integral of 1 over x, it's the natural log technically of the absolute value of x plus c.